Are you frustrated with the "this action isn't allowed" message popping up on your TV while trying to enjoy your favorite content? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how to fix this "this action isn't allowed" on YouTube for TV so you can stream seamlessly once again. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first step in resolving this issue is to ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can trigger this error message on YouTube. Start by checking your Wi-Fi router for any connectivity issues. You can do this by running a speed test on another device. If the speed is lower than expected, try restarting your router. Simply unplug it, wait about 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. Reconnecting your TV to the network after resetting the router can often solve the problem. Step 2. Update the YouTube app. Keeping your YouTube app up to date is crucial for avoiding glitches and bugs. Navigate to your TV's app store, find the YouTube app, and check if there's any updates available. An outdated version can lead to compatibility issues with YouTube servers, causing that pesky error message once again. Once updated, restart your TV and try accessing YouTube again. Step 3. Clear app cache and data. Sometimes clearing cache data can help fix unexpected errors like "this action isn't allowed." Depending on your smart TV's operating system, you can usually find the option to clear cache within the settings menu. Locate the YouTube app settings and clear the option to clear data or cache. This action won't delete any accounts or personal information, but it will remove temporary data that might be causing issues. Step 4. Check your Google account permissions. Ensuring that your Google account settings are correct can solve access issues. Log into your account from a computer and navigate to the YouTube settings. Confirm that the Connected Devices section lists your TV and check if any restrictions apply under the account. Also, make sure that your parental controls aren't inadvertently blocking content on your TV. Step 5. Restart your TV. A simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the power source. Wait a minute before plugging it back in and then powering it back up. This process can refresh the system and resolve any minor software hiccups. After restarting, access the YouTube app to see if the issue is resolved. Step 6. Factory reset. If all else fails, consider a factory reset for your TV. This should be a last resort as it will erase all personal settings and downloaded apps, returning the TV to its original state. Consult your TV manual or manufacturer's website for detailed instructions on how to perform a factory reset. After doing so, reinstall the YouTube app and connect it to your Google account.